In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check who subscribed to your YouTube channel. You see here I have the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. You do not want to go to either of those to check it on your mobile phone. Instead, I'm going to go to Safari. Here I want to go to youtube.com. And it's going to try to take you to the YouTube app, as you can see right here. We do not want that because we're looking for an option down here that says desktop version. So go ahead and try it again. I'm going to click this option right here, youtube.com, and let's see if it works this time. If you run into this issue where YouTube wants to keep rerouting you to their mobile app, go ahead and go to youtube.com desktop site. Click this one. All right, here we go. Open with, you can choose your web browser, Chrome. I typically use Safari. And holy smokes, we have done it, my friend. So to save you some time, I would immediately go to Google and type in youtube.com desktop site. Now you can see here in the top right, I have an option for sign in. Go ahead and sign in. I'm going to choose my correct channel, so I'll go ahead and go under my fitness channel. And it's very tiny, as you can see, but you want to click your avatar here on the top right-hand side. Then in here, you want to make sure that you are going to Creator Studio. And here we are on my fitness channel, my newest channel right here, and you can see down below it says recent subscribers. Go ahead and click see all. I'm going to show you a little trick here that's actually going to help you even more than this right here in just a second. You can filter from the last 90 days, or you could filter to lifetime if you want to. If you click on either of these drop downs, it will filter it. Date subscribed, subscriber count, from the least amount of subscribers to the most amount of subscribers. You could go ahead and click on the specific YouTube channel, and you can also scroll over. Now, this is great. However, I would not spend a ton of time figuring out who subscribed to your YouTube channel. Why? Because it's not going to help you actually grow your channel. What's going to help you grow your channel? You need to see as a whole who's subscribing to your channel. So I would recommend that you go to this YouTube Studio app. Go down to analytics. And why do you want to see as a whole who's subscribing to your channel? Because then YouTube knows where to push your specific content, not to one specific person, but click audience. And here's what you need to pay attention to: the age, the gender, the top geographies, other videos your audience watches, other channels your audience watches. This is going to be way more helpful to you than seeing a specific YouTube subscriber. But now you know how if you want to. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube growth tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one.